In this video, we'll show you how to descale the Barista Impress. For this process, you'll need descaler, a bowl or container, and a spoon. Your unit will indicate a need for a descale cycle when the maintenance light is illuminated solid. For best maintenance, we recommend descaling your unit every 4 to 6 weeks, as the frequency of the light may vary depending on usage. Let's prepare your unit for the descale cycle. Empty and reinsert the drip tray. Remove the water tank and water filter. With the water filter removed, fill the water tank to the descale line. Add your descaler to the water tank. Then use a spoon to stir the descaler until it has dissolved. Reinsert the water tank. Then place a bowl or container underneath the group head and the steam wand. Let's begin with the unit powered off. Then press and hold both the power and 2-cup buttons simultaneously until the unit powers on and enters the descale mode. Press the 2-cup button to descale the group head. Rotate the dial to the hot water icon to descale the hot water outlet for approximately 10 seconds. Rotate the dial to the steam icon to descale the steam wand for approximately 10 seconds. Then rotate the dial to the standby position. Repeat this process to descale the group head, steam wand, and hot water outlet until all the solution in the tank has been used. Once you've run through the descaler, remove and rinse your container, water tank, and drip tray. Refill the water tank with fresh water to the max line. Reinsert the water tank and place a bowl or container back underneath the group head and the steam wand. Press the 1-cup button to rinse the group head. Rotate the dial to the hot water icon to rinse the hot water outlet for approximately 10 seconds. Rotate the dial to the steam icon to rinse the steam wand for approximately 10 seconds. Then rotate the dial to the standby position. Repeat this process to rinse the group head, steam wand, and hot water outlet until all water in the tank has been used. Once all the water has been run through the unit, empty and rinse the container, water tank, and drip tray. Wipe down any backsplash on your unit using a cloth or towel. Reinsert both the water tank and the water filter. To complete the descale cycle, press the power button to power off your unit. The descale indicator will be turned off the next time the unit is powered on. You've now successfully completed the descale cycle on your Barista Impress.